Yeah, this is the website we create for this fashion brand, Dahlia Couture. Now, there's this push notification that users can use to channel returning visitors. So you allow. Now, there's a pop-up because of the pandemic that notifies people that delivery might be delayed or something, or if you want to get a nose mark. But I'm going to close this one. So here's a beautiful website we created for this fashion store. Now you can see this fashion store into different categories of outfits. Now they have Dahlia Couture, that's their own specific branded outfits where they have their crested brand on it. They have bespoke wear for women, they have casual, they have corporate native wear, they sell caps, kids wear, they also have hoodies, the special one for the branding, and then hoodies for custom view. So now you can see, if you go through the website, you'll see the different categories and how everything is. So you can see casual wears, you can see corporate wears, you can see native wears also. Now, but what I'm going to be going through is just how the website, and you can see how branded it is. When you give us the website to do, we do the graphics, we do to ensure that everything is all well set. Now if you go through it, you see all the stuff. You see they have bespoke design page. Now we created this. When you click on this, it takes you to a bespoke design page like this. So for example, if you have a specific clothes, you want to give us your measurement. Do you understand? So this shows you how the measurement is, explain exactly what you want to do. Put the size, chest, male or female. If you have a sample design like a catalog you want us to do, you can add this to it and preview your information. So go on then you begin to see all the branded outfit they have. You can see the blog. Now, so they also have what we call Dahlia Academy training, where they train people. So if you click on this, also it takes you to Dahlia Academy. It's the full landing page for Dahlia Academy. When you click on this, you register now. So you can see you can decide to pay full payment, upfront payment of 70%, balance deficit, and all of that. You can see all what they're going to train you on. You can see what the students saying, feel free, blah blah blah. Then you can chat out the customer support. If you click on this, you see a WhatsApp listing for the owner. So once you click on it, you go straight to our WhatsApp chat. So now if any student clicks on register now, it takes them to a page where they register now. And then after they fill the form, okay, this is the page. You put your name, email, your passport photograph, your level of expertise. Are you a beginner? Do you want to make full payment or installments? You can pay installment. If you want to make full payment, indicate your address of residence. Then will your fees be paid by someone else? If you say paid by me, none is going to happen. If you say paid by someone else, another pop-up is going to come out and you agree to terms, and then click submit. Then you can go back to the main website. So you see, once you click submit, it submits you to a page where you can now make payment. So you can see all these structures are well crafted and designed by us. Graphics, everything are done by us. So you can trust us, you can give us your website and trust us that we're going to do a good job. Now a quick one now, let me just show you why I'm just showing you this website. What is fantastic about this website is that if you want to buy custom outed, like you want to design some of our custom listing, instead you can see the other one that says add to cart. If I decide to add this to cart, it takes me like the normal Jumia. I can go view my cart, but it will have added up somewhere here. You can see the wish list that I kept here, and that these are things that I might want to buy later, but you can see now it shows me that I've added to cart. But that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm just going to be talking about right now is this. Now you can see for this Dahlia code, so this other particular item says customize. If you have any brand graphics I want to post on in my own specifically, I can decide to design my own custom graphic. So all I need to do is to click on customize. It takes me to the page. It opens this page for me whereby you can now decide to customize your outfit. So now you see this particular one, it's a plain white hoodie. So if I decide to say I want to design the front, I can just upload an image for my design. If I have my own design, I can upload it from my system. I can add my own design. I can look at the back and say I also want to put maybe text at the back. So now you can see the cost has actually changed. If I go to the back view, I want to write in text, I can just place a text there. Change the color and decide to drag this up. See, that has added 500 for the text. I can decide to add another text, www.pob.ng, and I can decide to change the color to red and reduce the size and then drag it to the position I want. So whatever you want to do, you can change the font, you can make it whatever kind of font you want. So I can decide to save my design. I put my name, POB. Tells me that once I clear my cache, whatever I've saved would have gone, or if I change my browser, so until I have an account before this things change. So after saving that, I can decide to download it so I can have the material. Maybe if they want the material, they communicate to me, but they are obviously going to get this. But if you want a PDF comment for this, you can actually save it. So you can click here to see your saved items. Okay, so this is the design we saved. See, it comes out very well. Look at the back. So this is what you've designed. Comes out very well. Then we go back and say okay. Now, so when we are done with doing all our changes on our clothes, you can add to cart. So the total cost for your customization is 14,000 with the clothes itself. So now in your cart now, we have one pant. You remember we added the pant to cart. We also have this our new customization. So you can view cart or decide to check out. So you can see how beautiful this is. So if there's a coupon code, apply discount and proceed to checkout. So you see your customized hoodie is ready. Then you enter the information there. So now if this person does not subscribe to your newsletter, omits the pop-up and all of that, you can see this automatically subscribes into the, except if he doesn't want it, you then uncheck that button. So now, so you can see everything. You can decide to use cash on delivery, cash payment, or whatever you want to use, direct transfer. I'm using direct transfer here, but you can decide to use your ATM card, place your order. So now your order has been placed. So you have to pay this money before your order is complete. So now let's go check the email. So you see your order has been received. So when you pay into this bank account, you get the order completed. But at this point, they're going to call you. You can see your direct bank transfer is ready. So here you change the order status to completed once you've confirmed payment, and then click the update button. So now the order has been completed. You can see the order here. When in your back end, you still see the printed material. So now let's check the email. You can see now your order is completed. Say we have finished processing your order. So your order should be on the way by now. Then you can have a PDF document. See how beautiful it is, how lovely with your logo, your address and everything. So you don't have to be doing all this. So you, as the owner of the website, you also get a copy of the invoice. You can see, you can download the item here to your system. You can download the back part to see this item, and then at the back end you also get the design copy and all of that. See how beautiful this is.